Grow potatoes in a bucket, a beginner's guide. Imagine harvesting fresh, delicious potatoes right from your own backyard, balcony, or even your patio. It's easier than you think. This video will show you how to grow potatoes in a 5-gallon bucket, a simple and space-saving method perfect for beginners and urban gardeners. Growing potatoes in a 5-gallon bucket is a fantastic way to enjoy homegrown potatoes, even if you have limited space. It's a simple project that yields surprisingly abundant results. Plus, it's a great learning experience for gardeners of all levels. This method is perfect for urban farmers, apartment dwellers, or anyone who wants to try growing their own food without a traditional garden. We'll walk you through every step, from preparing your materials to harvesting your bounty. First, you'll need a 5-gallon bucket. Any clean, sturdy bucket will do, but make sure it hasn't been used to store any harmful chemicals. This is the foundation of your potato growing adventure. Drainage is absolutely essential. Drill several drainage holes in the bottom of the bucket to prevent waterlogging. Potatoes don't like sitting in soggy soil. Next, you'll need seed potatoes. These are potatoes specifically grown for planting, and they're certified disease-free. Avoid using potatoes from the grocery store, as they may have been treated to prevent sprouting. Choose a potato variety that's well-suited for container growing. Some good options include Yukon Gold, Red Pontiac, or fingerling potatoes. These varieties tend to thrive in smaller spaces. Forget garden soil. Use a high-quality potting mix. Potting mix is lighter and provides better drainage than garden soil, which can become compacted in a container. For an extra boost, consider adding compost or a slow-release fertilizer to your potting mix. This will provide your potatoes with the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. Chitting or pre-sprouting your seed potatoes is an optional step that can speed up growth. It's like giving your potatoes a head start. To chit your potatoes, place them in a bright, cool place for a few weeks, allowing them to develop sprouts or eyes. A windowsill or a cool garage works well. If your seed potatoes are large, you can cut them into pieces. Each piece should have at least 1 or 2 eyes, sprouts. This allows you to get more plants from a single seed potato. After cutting, let the cut surfaces dry for a day or 2 before planting. This helps prevent rot and ensures a healthy start for your potato plants. Fill the bottom of your bucket with about 4-6 inches of potting mix. Then, place your seed potato pieces on top of the soil with the eyes facing upwards. Cover the seed potatoes with a few inches of potting mix. Water gently to moisten the soil. Don't soak it. As your potato plants grow, you'll need to hill them. This involves adding more potting mix around the stems as they emerge. Hilling encourages the plant to produce more potatoes along the buried stems. It's like creating more opportunities for potato growth. Continue hilling every few weeks until the bucket is almost full. This will maximize your potato yield. Water your potato plants regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist. But be careful not to overwater. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other problems. Potatoes prefer moist, but not soggy soil. Check the soil moisture with your finger before watering. If the top inch of soil feels dry, it's time to water. Potatoes need plenty of sunlight to thrive. Aim for at least 6-8 hours of sunlight per day. Place your bucket in a sunny spot, such as a patio, balcony, or even a sunny windowsill. The more sunlight, the better. Keep an eye out for pests, such as potato beetles. These little critters can munch on your potato plants. If you spot any pests, remove them by hand or use an organic insecticide. Protecting your plants will ensure a healthy harvest. Your potatoes will typically be ready to harvest 70-100 days after planting. Patience is key. One of the best indicators that it's time to harvest is when the plant flowers and the foliage starts to die back. This signals that the potatoes are mature. To harvest, simply tip the bucket over and gently dig through the soil. You'll find your homegrown potatoes nestled within. Curing your potatoes is an optional step that can help them store longer. It toughens the skins and prevents spoilage. To cure your potatoes, place them in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place for a week or 2. This will help them last longer in storage. Growing potatoes in a 5-gallon bucket is a rewarding and accessible gardening project for anyone, regardless of space or experience. From selecting the right materials to understanding the importance of hilling and sunlight, you now have the knowledge to cultivate your own delicious homegrown potatoes. Now it's your turn. Grab a 5-gallon bucket, some seed potatoes, and get planting. Share your progress with us in the comments below. We'd love to see your potato growing journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening!